Hi, good morning to all. So you can see we are dressing up and this is day second. Now we are going again river bank. It is sloping area as you can see. The path is quite narrow and sloping. We have to be careful. Lot of stone and this is muddy area actually. So finally we have reached more near. As you can see, the whole area covered with sand. And in rainy season, the water level comes in this area as well. So as now this is the end of winter, that's why the water level has decreased. It is not in this area. So children love to play with sand, mud, the same Tugu was doing. We played a bit and then we tried again to go forward. It was a little difficult to move in sand because we are not getting the surface where easily we can walk. So we went forward, we struggled, and you can see a lot of people in my background. Few were doing rafting and rest people were just sitting and having the feel of water. So finally we have raised and we dip our feet into water and just having the feel of just nearby river, and at this time the river water is not that much cold. He is going to have a bath. Okay, we are not going more near, we are just in the river bank. We don't want to go near because water is very scary. Water is very scary, so we have to be careful. So we are not going there. People are also doing some activity. See, you can see in that area a lot of people are there. Okay, just wait. And you can see what they are doing there. He is taking bath and a lot of people also there who is going for rafting, and they were also suggesting us, if you are also interested you can go for rafting, but I don't want to go because I feel that is too risky. So I don't want to have any kind of risk. We just want to chill in this place. We are just sitting, enjoying, and crowd is not here. Only few people are there. In morning the place was more quiet, but in this time the sun is shining much, and this place is empty. If I talk about food where we stay, the food was also very good. Construction work is also going on. So many new building also people are constructing. If anyone is interested, they can come in this place. They can enjoy the beauty of nature because the facility also they are providing very good. We are on our way home and this is the time to go back. We have enjoyed a lot, and for reaching road we have to walk because this is far away from the main road. So if you want to get this much beautiful place, then you have to go more down, then only you can get such views. So still Swarit is playing. He is not content. He wants to play more and more, and yesterday he played in this area a lot. He played with sand a lot and he created so many houses. And right now this is time to go back home. So now we are stalling. So now this is time to go back home. No. This is the place. So many huts are there. You can see, you can have a look. And this is time to go back at home. I don't know why I'm repeating the same. We are walking and then we have to climb. Not climb, it's something else. So we have to walk from here and it is not easy. So this is the way from where we have to cross. So if you want to have some good place, then you have to cross it. Otherwise mostly we can get places nearby road, but you cannot get the riverside. So yes, this is the area which we are crossing, and see one more construction work is going on. So many new hotels, restaurants, also people are building and they are providing very good facilities. So if anybody who wants to come, they can have this look, and from here you can have the look. We have to climb more. It's just starting. You can see.
This path made me sigh.
Forward. So yeah, I am moving and also capturing pictures. This is very new for me. I am trying my best to capture and to hold this camera as right now I am holding. I'm not habitual actually, but I'm trying my best. I can do it. So for learning this language, I feel people must have to do something new where they are not comfortable. I am also not comfortable. The way right now I am holding this camera, the way I am speaking in front of others, I'm also not that much comfortable. But I want to be. So this is also one challenge which I have videos whenever I'm getting chance, and then only we can improve, is it? If we are just doing those activities where we are comfortable, so I mean we are learning, we are doing, but we cannot improve that much as we can improve as much practical we can be in this language. I'm not able to breathe well actually. Why? Because see the sloping area. So guys, I was saying, if you want to be comfortable in any field, so you have to take challenge. If you are not taking challenges, so maybe you are enjoying, things are going good, but you cannot learn. So yes, so finally we have reached on road. So now I had the sigh of relief, otherwise it was too tough. So yes, moving back toward car.